The Extra Debit Card is a financial tool designed to provide users with enhanced benefits and rewards beyond what traditional debit cards offer. Here's how it works. Enhanced rewards. Extra debit cards often come with rewards programs that offer cashback, points, or other incentives for spending at specific merchants or in certain categories. These rewards can be redeemed for various perks such as discounts, gift cards, or statement credits. Additional features. Extra debit cards may offer additional features such as extended warranties, purchase protection, or travel insurance, depending on the card issuer and the specific terms and conditions. Linked accounts. Extra debit cards are typically linked to a user's existing checking or savings account. Users can make purchases using the card, and the funds are deducted directly from their linked account. Budgeting tools. Some extra debit cards come with budgeting tools and spending analytics that help users track their expenses, set savings goals, and manage their finances more effectively. Security. Extra debit cards often come with advanced security features such as fraud monitoring, zero liability protection, and the ability to freeze or lock the card if it's lost or stolen.